Hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Elsa. How are you today? Good. How old are you, Elsa? How old are you? Okay, good job. So let's start. You ready? We're going to do a test. Elsa, can you tell me what do you have? Ooh, what do you have? What do you have? Ooh, what do you have? Ooh, what do you have? Very good, well done. Elsa, do you like fish? No, I don't. Do you like cheese? Do you like French fries? Do you like eggs? Do you like bread? Good job. Also, you've got a story. Can you tell me what is happening in this picture? They're chickens. Very good. What are the chickens doing? They are making food. What's happening in this picture? They are eating. What's happening in this picture? The mommy chicken is giving the animals soup. Very good. Also, let us know what can you taste, what can you feel, and what can you see. Okay. I can taste the watermelon. Good. Good job. Very well done. Now, teacher's going to ask you, is it loud or quiet? Is the lion loud or quiet? Is the tap loud or quiet? Good job. So, what is it? It's good. What are they? Nice, very good. What are they? Very nice. Awesome. How many shells can you see? How many? I can see. How many boats can you see? Good job. What are you doing? What are you doing? Good job. Now let's look at what letter is it? What letter is it? Good. What letter is it? 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 Very good job. Now let's look at the numbers. What number is it? What number is it? What number is it? What number is it? Thank you. Awesome job, Elsa.